Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of food allergens in our comprehensive guide. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. In an era where dietary restrictions and food sensitivities are becoming increasingly common, understanding how to manage food allergens effectively is absolutely crucial. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, it's vital to grasp the nuances between allergies and intolerances and to know how to communicate allergen information accurately. Let's start by understanding the differences between food allergies and intolerances. Food allergies occur when our immune systems mistakenly identify harmless food proteins as threats, leading to reactions that can range from mild irritation to life-threatening anaphylaxis. On the other hand, food intolerances involve difficulties digesting certain components of foods, such as lactose in dairy products. Now, let's take a look at some of the most common food allergens and their potential health impacts. You might have heard of the Big 8 food allergens, which include milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soy. These allergens are responsible for the majority of food allergic reactions. For example, cow's milk allergies are frequently encountered in infants and young children, while allergies to eggs are also prevalent in this age group. Allergies to eggs can affect individuals in various ways, targeting either the whites, yolks, or both components of the egg. Some may develop sensitivities to just one or both proteins within the egg's composition. Additionally, adults may exhibit allergies to certain varieties of fish or shellfish. It's important to note that individuals allergic to one type may not necessarily react similarly to all. Regardless of the specific allergen, cross-contamination risks should always be kept in mind, and all allergenic foods should be avoided to protect against potential reactions. It's essential to be aware of these allergens, especially if you're in the food industry, to prevent cross-contamination and ensure the safety of your consumers. But what exactly happens in our bodies during an allergic reaction? When someone with a food allergy consumes an allergenic food, their immune system produces specific antibodies called immunoglobulin E, IgE. These antibodies trigger the release of chemicals like histamine, which leads to allergic symptoms ranging from itching and swelling to more severe reactions like difficulty breathing and loss of consciousness. The best way to prevent allergic reactions is to avoid allergenic foods altogether. This means carefully reading food labels and asking about ingredients when dining out. For those with known food allergies, carrying an auto-injector of epinephrine, adrenaline, is essential in case of accidental exposure. This can quickly reverse severe allergic symptoms and potentially save lives. Understanding food allergens and how to manage them is crucial for anyone working in the food industry or cooking at home. If you want to deepen your knowledge and earn a certificate in allergen awareness, be sure to check out our online course. The link is in the description below. Enroll now in our online course on allergen awareness and earn your certificate today. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.